Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so fixes will stick. Sign into the same Windows account used in the Microsoft Store and make sure Windows is fully updated. This resolves many platform mismatches. Once done, close Roblox and any related background processes, then restart Explorer to clear UI locks. Also verify your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the store or Roblox process. Excluding the app prevents repeated crashes and avoids wasting time on superficial reinstalls. Next, you clear the store state and refresh its components. Run WS Reset, exe as an administrator to wipe the store cache, and then fully uninstall Roblox from settings. Don't just remove the shortcut. Once removed, reinstall Roblox from the Microsoft Store. This forces a fresh UWP package install and corrects broken dependencies. If the store itself throws errors, re-register its packages using an elevated PowerShell command to rebuild app manifests and fix corrupted registers. Finish by addressing driver and profile level causes. Update your GPU drivers and set Roblox to the preferred GPU in Windows graphics settings because driver mismatches often crash games. Then run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to auto-fix residual issues and inspect Event Viewer for faulting module names. That tells you why it crashed. If nothing works, create a new Windows user and test there. Isolating a corrupted profile often reveals the true problem and gets Roblox running again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.